Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by profiling the exact interaction that lags so you know where to act. Attach a timeline or CPU profiler and record a realistic session. Once done, scan for frames over 16 ms, long main thread tasks, and garbage collection spikes. Make sure to run a release build on a target device rather than a simulator, because debug overhead hides the true problem. Then isolate the offending functions so you can move heavy work off the UI thread immediately. Once you know which work blocks the UI, refactor so that parsing, network, and CPU-bound tasks run asynchronously on background threads or dedicated workers. You should batch state changes and DOM or view updates to reduce layout thrash. Make a single commit instead of many small invalidates. Also convert large bitmaps to texture atlases, use compressed assets, and promote frequently changing views to hardware layers so rendering is offloaded to the GPU. These moves reduce main thread latency and smooth frames. You finish by reprofiling to verify improvements in median and worst-case frame times, and by testing across devices to catch platform differences. Make the UI resilient, add graceful degradation that reduces animation complexity under load, and cache computed layouts where possible. If lag persists, use a binary search of feature toggles to isolate the remaining offender. Also inspect memory and GC behavior for pauses. Troubleshooting tip: if progress stalls,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.